In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So anyways, there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do to fix this. The first thing is the airplane mode IP flush. Now, Snapchat often fails to send messages and snaps if your current IP address is flagged by their anti-spam filters. So what you want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right and go ahead and turn on airplane mode. Then just wait about 10 seconds or even 15, then go ahead and toggle airplane mode off again. And that's going to give your IP a quick little flush. And then what you want to do is try and send a message again and see if that works. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and try and turn it off and try something on mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, then go ahead and try Wi-Fi instead. So you have those two different options. And what you could also do is if you're on a low power mode, go ahead and disable that as well. And then the final thing I would recommend doing is going over to settings application, scrolling down until you find general, then go to iPhone storage. And once you're in iPhone storage, go ahead and locate Snapchat. And then you just want to go ahead and offload the app. This is going to basically clear your cache. So any bugs that you might be having or anything like that, those are going to be gone after you clear the cache. So just try opening the application again, try sending a message or a snap, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.